crazy snow has hit again. I got stuck in my office parking lot. It challenges the spirit from within. It shows you who you are and who you're not.
I'd rather be inside where it is warm, where feelings can be shared and ring as true.
My lust would come in every shape and form when sitting by the fire next to you. Instead I'm stuck outside in heavy snow that drifts up to the handle on the door.
My car won't budge at all, I need a tow.
It seems that every winter we're at war. I sit here quite alone and just complain and dream of kissing you out in the rain. Inside my dreams I've been in your embrace and laid down next to you a million times. We've laughed and kissed and slept there face to face, and me, I've captured it in perfect rhymes. I love the ways you move me in my heart, and how you float into my every dream. Is never with the cart, and sonnets fill the world ream after ream.
One morning I will wake up next to you
and whisper in your ear to start the day.
Our romance will be radiant and true,
and what we have will never go away. Outside the snow is menacing and gray. One kiss from you and it would melt